time, especially in North Georgia. This warning is for the following counties in North Carolina, Cherokee and Clay, and the following counties in Tennessee, East Polk and West Polk. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy snow and mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations between 2 and 5 inches and ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. Where? Portions of southwest North Carolina and East Tennessee. When? From 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses, will likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes and the Saturday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary.